How do I verify my Bitcoin on Cash App?
Welcome to this video tutorial on how to verify your Bitcoin on Cash App. In this guide, we will cover the process step by step to make sure you can securely and easily verify your Bitcoin on the Cash App platform.
What do you need to get started?
Before you begin, make sure you have the following: a Cash App account set up and linked to your bank account, a Bitcoin wallet on the app, your government-issued ID, passport or driver's license, a selfie for identity verification.
How do I navigate to the Bitcoin verification section?
1. Open the Cash App on your mobile device. 2. Tap on the icon in the bottom left corner representing your Bitcoin wallet. 3. Click on the three-dot icon at the top right corner of the screen. 4. Select Enable Withdrawals and Deposits from the drop-down menu.
How do I submit my ID and selfie?
1. Choose the type of ID you will use, passport or driver's license. 2. Take a clear photo of the front and back of your ID, following the on-screen instructions. 3. Capture a selfie of your face, also following the on-screen instructions.
How long does the verification process take?
After submitting your ID and selfie, the verification process can take 24 to 48 hours. Cash App will notify you once your account has been verified.
What happens after verification?
Once your Bitcoin is verified on Cash App, you will be able to deposit Bitcoin into your Cash App wallet, withdraw Bitcoin to an external wallet, send and receive Bitcoin to and from other Cash App users. Congratulations! You now know how to verify your Bitcoin on Cash App. Make sure to keep your account secure and enjoy using your Bitcoin wallet on the Cash App platform. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Cash App support team.